how to cancel Airbnb and get full refund. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to cancel your Airbnb booking and get full refund. So first thing first, just open up your Airbnb application and just head over to this trip section from the bottom of your navigation bar, and make sure you are already logged into your account. And here you should see all of your trips which have been booked. So here's the catch: to get the full refund you must cancel your trip within the 48 hours of booking. So if you see any of the booking over here which are more than 48 hours, so it's already been more than that many hours, then you cannot get the full refund. But when you click on the cancel button and your trip has only been booked within the 48 hours, you can easily get the full refund just like that. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.